Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. It is Jamie here, and I am live from Aroma Thyme, from the bar at Aroma Thyme. So you can take a look behind me and see all of the cool spirits we have back there. Most people don't even recognize them. This light is bright today. I'm going to try to change this for a minute. Oh, there we go. I think that is a little bit better. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Happy Thursday to you. I was having trouble logging in before. It wasn't letting me go live. So hopefully I am live now. If you are watching me live, if you can put a hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you see me. Hopefully it is working okay right now. So hello Thursday. It is the start of Aroma Thyme's week here. Thursday through Monday we are open. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Perfect. Thank you, Robert. Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. For those of you that are following me new, we do a $9.99 special every week. We've been doing that through COVID. And our special this week is the same as last week. It's a repeat. It's our chicken and rice. It's a lime, cumin, cilantro chicken, bone-in chicken thigh. It's been roasted, right, Marcus? Roasted
yeah.
With lime and cumin, and then a cilantro on top. Cilantro chutney, Marcus? Cilantro chutney with rice. It's an awesome dish. People loved it so much last week that we bought more this week, and we are running it again this week. So that is our special for the week. $9.99 to go. You can have it in-house as well. It's more expensive. Obviously, we have to cover our costs in-house. But you are more than welcome to come in and have it. It's on our specials. You can take it home with you. Our regular menu is available as well, so you can get it. Thank you for watching me. I see a few more people on. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Robert. Hello. Thank you, everybody. I don't know if Marcus is on right now. I don't see him on, but are you on, Marcus? Oh, yeah, there's Marcus. Marcus is on. So hello, he's actually sitting right next to me. We have lots of, the phone has been ringing like crazy because we are doing a lot of to-goes. So please order to-go. Please support our staff. Please make sure you leave a tip if you are taking to-go. They are working just as hard to get you the to-go food by packing it, stopping what they're doing at a table to make sure that you are well taken care of. So please make sure that you tip them.
That's for any restaurant.
Huh?
That's for any restaurant.
That's for any restaurant. Please make sure that you are taking care of your staff because it is hard sometimes for them to stop what they're doing at a table and to take care of you at the bar to go, but also not overstaffing so everybody makes money. So please make sure you take care of them. So that is just a word of advice out there. We went around Middletown yesterday, jumped around to a couple of places and had a little dine around. That was kind of fun. I like doing that. That's great. Justin's going to be home next week from his training this winter. He's going to come for a visit before college starts. So that's exciting. And let's see. We are open all weekend. Albie is back next Friday, which is the 14th. I believe he'll be playing 6:30 to 9:30 here at Aroma Thyme inside. So please make a reservation. We are usually very busy when Albie is playing here. We have a wine dinner next Monday, the 10th. 4 wines and a dish for $29. Please call and make reservations for that. That is an awesome way to spend your Monday. I mean, you can't beat it. 2 glasses of wine and a dish for $29. It's a great way to spend a Monday and enjoy our awesome food and our awesome wine. So let's see. So on to my cocktail. It's how do you say it? Boulevardier. I can't say that word. I don't know why, but it's a take on a Negroni. So it's got almost the same ingredients as a Negroni, except it is using this one is going to be using Hill Rock.
Is there gin in your recipe now?
No, there's no gin.
So it's bourbon instead of gin.
Bourbon instead of gin, right?
Yep.
Yes. So a Negroni has gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. We don't use Campari here at Aroma Thyme. We use Zamaro, which is our Campari substitute. So we'll be using a bourbon. I'm going to use Hill Rock, one of my favorite bourbons out there. Awesome bourbon. Been to the distillery. Great people, great stuff. Check it out if you're ever up in Anne Fran. And then I'll be using Zamaro from Pure, and we have sweet vermouth on tap. So I am actually going to, so it is 2 parts of bourbon. So I'm going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. And we're going to do 1 ounce of Zamaro. And 1 ounce of the sweet vermouth on tap. Woo! Sweet vermouth on tap. And we're going to add some rocks to this. You know, you can use a big rock, you can use small rocks. I'm going to mix that on up there. Roll it around a little bit. I love Hill Rock. I love their bourbon. I love what they're doing there. Their rye is really awesome as well. So this is a takeout Negroni. Negroni has gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. This has bourbon instead of gin. And I'm going to top it off with a little lemon peel. And let's give it a taste. Sorry, an orange peel. Oh, that is yum, yum, yum. I love bourbon. Hello, Linda. Hello, Ellen. Hello, Melissa. Hello, Ralph. Cheers. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody is having a great start to the year. Hope you've been working on your goals this year. I know I have. We've already accomplished a few of our goals that we set at the end of 2021, and so that feels really good. So now we just have to boost our goals here at Aroma Time, and that's it. So hope everybody has an awesome day. Cheers, and I will catch you all tomorrow for my Friday Facebook Live. Anybody have any ideas what I should be making tomorrow? Please drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you've tried some really cool cocktails out there, I'd love to hear from you. So cheers to you. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.